Welcome to this explainer. With GTA 6 dropping in 2026, here's why your old hard drive is totally doomed.
So, the big question, can your rusty mechanical hard drive actually run the massive world of Vice City?
Absolutely not. Rockstar's Rage 9 engine makes an NVMe SSD a strict requirement. Without it, the game breaks.
Look, forget that crazy 350-gigabyte rumor. Credible sources confirm the install size is actually 150 to 200 gigs.
The real culprit here? Asset streaming. The engine constantly demands millions of 3D models and textures instantly.
Without NVMe speeds, the world fails to build. You'll get massive, game-breaking pop-ins right before your eyes. Yikes.
Check out this traditional bottleneck. Data slowly crawls through system RAM and your CPU before reaching the GPU. But GTA 6 uses direct storage. Data bypasses the CPU, blasting directly from your SSD straight to the GPU.
This shortcut is a game changer. It frees up your CPU to handle Vice City's incredibly complex NPC AI. So, to feed this beast, you need a serious NVMe weapon. But which generation do you actually need?
Gen 5 drives hit 14,000 megabytes a second, but they only save about 2 seconds of loading.
Honestly, Gen 4 is the sweet spot for value today, while Gen 5 purely future-proofs your rig.
Whatever speed you choose, capacity matters most. 2 terabytes is the absolute sweet spot for this massive game.
This is a monumental shift in gaming. We've evolved from hard drives to NVMe becoming strictly mandatory.
Tom's Hardware nails it. GTA 6 turns storage architecture from an optional upgrade into a hardcore requirement. So, is your PC ready to process Vice City, or will you be left stranded on loading screens?